I felt awkward anyway, but I did it. I've been sitting up here talking to you, but the camera wasn't on because they had them in Hobby Lobby for only $2.99. What are y'all doing at Michael's? Hi guys, happy Saturday. Welcome to the vlog. I want to make a list, and I do better whenever I have a list written down because I'm old. I feel like I have so many loose ends. I have the bathroom makeover that I want to finish, a painting that I need to do for my friend. She gave me this canvas because I need to do a little painting for her. I'm gonna look through what I have before I go, but I'm just gonna write paint down. I'm gonna check my brushes too because I may need brushes. And as far as the bathroom makeover goes, I haven't finished that. There's one thing that I came up with in my head that I want to do. I kind of feel like I need to go ahead and tell you about it now, but I kind of want it to be a surprise in the makeover video. I can get the stuff that I need and you'll just be like, what are you doing? You know? That'll work for me. So I'm gonna write that down. What else do I need? I don't know. Oh, this plant right here. I picked this up last weekend. It came in the standard little black plastic flower pot that they come in. So I need to see if I can find something nicer. So I need to write down a flower pot. And I do have some flower pots here at the house, but that's a pretty big plant. I don't have anything that big. I have that flower pot in my, I wonder if that's big enough. I'll have to show you. So this is the flower pot that I have two of. I have this one where I have this cactus plant in. And I like the color. I think this will actually look nice in the bathroom. And it would be for this plant here. Look how big this plant is. But anyway, I think that the size is too exact. It would need a little space in there. So I may have to buy a different flower pot. 9 inches, but that's not all the way to the center. So I'm just gonna say I need a pot that's 10 inches in diameter or bigger. I have pink, I have red, I have white, so I'm good on paint. I don't need to buy any paint. And then I probably need some brushes, like this brush. That's a mess. I can't do anything with that. I need to throw that in the trash. I am probably gonna switch out this sweatshirt or this sweater for this over here, because I went outside to take the trash and it's kind of warm outside, surprisingly, so I think I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna take that with me because it could cool off. It's that time of year where the sun goes down quick, it gets cold quick, but I think I'm gonna wear this for now. Yep. Yeah, I get that. That was after I had left from meeting up with you and pick up a SD card, and then after that, snake plant, because snake plants are pretty resilient. So I'm just now coming out of Michael's. They had what I was looking for. You saw what I was looking at. I was looking at grass. So it's kind of expensive. I can order it from Walmart cheaper, but I like the color that they had. So what I can do is check my phone to see what color they had at Walmart. If they have the shade that I think will look better, I can go ahead and order that. But I'm thinking that what they have in Michael's is a better shade. I'm also going to run to Hobby Lobby and see if they have what I'm looking for there, just in case, because we have options, so we should consider them. I got on the phone with Tanya to see when she needed her painting, and she doesn't need it until like November. So I'm happy about that because I really thought I was about to be painting tonight. But while I'm in Hobby Lobby, I'm going to look and see if they have brushes there, because the brushes here in Michael's are super expensive. Like the 3-pack was $7.99. And I also went to Home Depot and I found a flower pot. It was only $8, so really good price. Ooh, so we're gonna run to Hobby Lobby and I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat. I've been sitting out here talking to you, but the camera wasn't on. So I was saying that I got everything I needed and I ran into World Market and I picked up these ginger snaps. They're orange flavor. Oh my goodness, they're so good. They had orange, vanilla, and plain. It's orange. Oh my goodness, it's so good. I was looking on my phone to see if I could find a spot to go to grab something to eat. I want to sit outside and I want to eat something light. I could eat soup, I could eat salad, maybe a baked potato. I'm gonna sit here and figure that out. I'll see you guys in a bit. I am back in my sweater because it cooled down a lot and it's so cute. But anyway, I'm out here at Ashley Lane. I'm gonna check out this place called Hawkers. It's an Asian spot. And I looked at their menu and they have some like rice, some noodles, wontons, like really light things that I'm interested in. And it doesn't look like it's too many people. The parking garage is really full, but it looks like it might be okay. So I'm gonna see if I can get a table outside. Yep, I'm good, thank you. Make sure I turn you guys on. I'm back. I'm sleepy. It is, what time is it? I shouldn't be sleepy. It's only 8:15. It's only 8:15 and I'm like, I want to take a shower and go to bed. But I'm going to take a shower and maybe that'll wake me up a little bit and then I can edit. Anyway, I got the things that I said I needed. Here's my flower pot that I got from Home Depot and it looks like it's gonna be good. I tested out the grass that I had. I think we might be on to something, so I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but so far it's looking pretty good. So we'll see. You will see that whenever the bathroom styling part of the makeover comes out. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you, at least I don't think I told you. When I talked to Tanya, she says that she doesn't need her painting until November, so that bought us some time. But I do have my paint brushes because they had them in Hobby Lobby for only $2.99. What are y'all doing at Michael's? I don't know. And I finally decided on what to eat. I went by this little area in Sandy Springs called Ashley Lane, and they have a lot of different little restaurants. Families like together out there. It's real cute. When I went in, I was like, I'm by myself and I want to sit outside. So they set me in the corner in the back, which was pretty cool, because that way I could vlog and stuff and not feel super awkward. But I felt awkward anyway, but I did it. Be proud of me. It's awkward. It really is. It's so awkward vlogging and stuff. But whenever you're home and you're editing your videos, you want the clips, you want the things to look good. So it's like, while you're out there, you just gotta cringe through it and do what you gotta do. So that's what I did. I'm holding this cup as if I'm about to show you something, but they gave me a little carry-out cup, and they had a cute little carry-out bag because I didn't finish my food. I ordered, what was the name of it? Okay, so I had the chili crisp wontons. And it sounds really good. It says is Sichuan style steamed wontons packed with chicken, shrimp, and mushrooms, topped with brown sauce, chili crisp, and sesame peanut butter sauce. the flavor of it wasn't what I was expecting. I felt like maybe the mushroom flavor was a little strong, and the combination of the mushrooms and the shrimp just didn't marry well to me. I didn't taste chicken at all. I mean, I really wouldn't expect to. You really could just make a shrimp and mushroom chili crisp wonton dish, and it may pack more flavor because the chicken might have brought the flavor down a little bit. You know what I mean? I should have got these golden ones because it's the same thing except these are fried. So I think I would have enjoyed that, especially because I got another soft dish that was real saucy. I got the chili crisp cucumbers, and this Szechuan style cucumbers topped with toasted sesame seeds and fresh cilantro. Those are good. I used to hate the flavor of cilantro, but I'm from South Carolina, so I grew up not knowing what cilantro was. I never had it, and then whenever I started to eat at different places, like my aunt, she used to live in California, and I remember one time she made a salad, and I was like, what is that fishy taste in the salad? She was like, no fish in the salad. I tried to eat it, and it was just weird to me. And then she's like, oh, that's the cilantro. That was my first time ever even hearing about it. And I didn't like it. It tasted like fish to me. I know some people, to them, cilantro tastes like soap. To me, it has a fishy taste, but I do like fish. So anyway, I guess I just got used to it because it's everywhere, especially here in Atlanta. And I like Mexican food, so I'm used to it now. But anyway, I feel like the food was okay, service was good, and the people were very friendly. It was just cute. Anyway, I'm gonna shower up. I don't know if I should end the vlog here because I don't know how I'm gonna feel tomorrow. I'll see you guys in the morning. Hi guys, as you see, I just finished cleaning up the bathroom. I cleaned myself up because I felt not so clean after cleaning the bathroom. But now it's time to make this pretty, and it's time to pull out all the things that we've collected, style this bathroom, and get this makeover done with.